Hello students, in today's lecture we will solve some practice questions based on Logic Gate part 1. In today's lecture we will cover practice question from 1 to 10. Disclaimer: the images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. So, topic is logic gates. Question first. Question is, the output of a two input OR gate is fed to a NOT gate. Then the new gate obtained is what? So in this question asks about the what will be the new gate when two input OR gate is fed to a NOT gate. Given options, option A is OR gate, option B is NOT gate, option C NOR gate, and option D NAND gate. So which option is correct? Option A, option B, option C, or option D? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So this is the question where two input OR gate is fed to a NOT gate. So according to question, the diagram is this. This is diagram. Here the number of inputs is 2, A and B, and this is OR gate. This gate is OR gate, and the possible number of combinations for the input A and B will be this 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and 1 1. So Y is the output for the inputs A and B for this OR gate. Clear? So firstly we calculate the output Y. So output Y is for 0 0, 0, 0 1, 1, 1 0, 1, and 1 1 1. So this is for OR gate. This output for OR gate. Now there is a NOT gate. So NOT gate, Y is the input for the NOT gate and Y prime is the output. So the input is 0, 1, 1, and 1. So 0, complement of 0, 1, and complement of 1, 0. Similarly 1 becomes 0 and 1 becomes 0. So this is the final output for this combinations of OR and NOR gate. Clear? This is the final output. This one is the final output for this OR and NOR gate combinations. So correct answer is C. NOR gate is the correct answer. Clear? Because here the combination of OR and NOT gate becomes NOR gate. Clear? Combination of OR and NOT gate will be NOR gate, and this is this output for the NOR gate. Next question, question second. This is second question. Question is, which of the following is the truth table for NOT gate? In this question is asked about the truth table. So there is a truth table given option A, B, C, D. So which one is correct for the truth table for NOT gate? Option A is correct, option B is correct, option C is correct, option D is correct. Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question using the truth table. After 10 second, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So the truth table for NOT gate, and the symbol of NOT gate is this. This is the NOT gate symbol. Clear? Input is A and output is V. So from truth table, when input is A and output will be B, so there is the input A and input output B. So when input is 0, the output will be 1, and the input is 1, then output will be 0. So this is the truth table for the NOT gate. So correct answer is this one. C option is correct. 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. This is the correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question third. Question is the output of OR gate is high. Options. Option is if either or both the inputs are 1. In that case, the output of OR gate is high. Option B, only if both inputs are 1. Option C, if either input is 0. And option D, if both inputs are 0. So which option is correct? Option A, option B, option C, or option D? Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So here question asked about the output of OR gate. Clear? So suppose there is a gate and that gate is OR gate. So this is symbol of OR gate and the input is A and B is the inputs for this OR gate, and the possible number of combinations for this OR gate is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Clear? And output will be y equal to A plus B. This is the output, y equal to A plus B. So 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 1. It means the output will be high when any one or both input are high. Clear? So correct answer is A option is correct if either or both inputs are 1. Clear? So A option is correct. Now next question. Question 4. Question is to get an output 1 from the circuit as shown in this figure. Figure is this. This one is figure. The input must be what? There is a inputs in the option. So which combination is correct for to get the output y? So option A is 0, B is 1, C is 0. And option B, A is 1, B is 0, C is 0. And option C, A is 1, B is 0 and C is 1. And option D, A is 1, B is 1, C is 0. So which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So in this question, we have to calculate output to get output 1 from this circuit. Clear? So in this circuit, there are two gates. First is OR gate, this is OR gate, and this is AND gate. And for the AND gate, the possible inputs of combination is this A and B. And for OR AND gate, this is AND gate, the inputs is and the output of OR gate and C is the input for this AND gate. So let's find the correct answer. So in OR gate, the inputs is A and B, and for AND gate, inputs is output of this OR gate and C. Clear? So firstly, we have to calculate the output of this OR gate. So A and B is the input and output will be here. This is the output, A plus B. So output is A plus B, and for this AND gate, the inputs is A plus B and C. Clear? So for this AND gate, the output will be Y. So Y equal to A plus B dot C. So this is the output for this circuits. Clear? So number of possible combinations is 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Clear? So this is the output for this OR gate. So 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Clear? And 1 0 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 1 and 1 1 1. Clear? So now we calculate Y. So A plus B dot C is equal to this Y. Clear? So 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 and 1 1 1. It means the correct answer is A equals equal to 1, this one, and B equal to 0, this one, and C equal to 1, this one. In that case, A plus B for this is the output for OR gate, and Y, this is the output for AND gate, is high. Clear? So this one is correct. So correct answer is C. A is 1, B equal 0, and C equal to 1. Clear? So this is the inputs to get the output 1. Clear? Next question. Question 5. Question is, the digital circuit can be made by the repetitive use of which gates? Option is OR gates, option B AND gates, option C NOT gates, and option D NAND gates. So which option is correct? Option A, option B, option C, or option D? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So the digital circuit can be made by the repetitive use of NAND and NOR gates. Gives digital circuits. Clear? So correct answer is D. D option is correct. Clear? Next question. Question 6. Question is, the following truth table is for what? This is the truth table. Given options: option A NAND gate, option B for AND, option C for XOR, and option D for NOT. So this truth table have a for which gate? A, B, C, D. Which option is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution for this question. Let's find a solution. So here we use two gates. First is AND gate, second is NOT gate. Clear? The Y prime is the output for this AND gate, and Y is the output for this NOT gate. Clear? There is a two gates. First is AND gate, second is NOT gate. And for the AND gate, there is a two inputs, and for the two inputs, the possible number of combinations is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Clear? And y prime is the output for this AND gate. So output will be 0 0 0 and 0 1 0 and 1 0 0 and 1 1 1. Clear? And for y prime is input for this NOT gate and y is the output. So y is for 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 1 0. So this answer is matched with this. Clear? For 1 1 0 for 1 1 0 this one for 1 1 0 and for remaining terms the output will be 1 1. Clear? So correct answer is option A is correct. Clear? So this output for the NAND gate y equal to A dot B complement. This one is the correct answer. So A option is correct. Clear? This one is correct. Next question. Question 7. Question is, which of the following is the truth table for the circuit below? So this is the logic gate. Here the input is A and output is Y. So which of the following is the correct truth table? Option is for input A, output is Y. Clear? So combinations is A becomes 0 and 0 becomes 1. Similarly, option B, option C and option D. So which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide the solution for this question. Let's find the solution. So here the truth table for the circuit below is this. This is the circuit. Here AND gate and NOT gate is used. So combination of AND and NOT gate is the NAND gate. So when the input is A and output is Y, in that case the possible combinations is this. When input is 1, output is 0 and input is 0, output will be 1. Clear? And this is the for this. Here the both inputs are combined, only single inputs is present here. So a complement is equal to A complement plus B complement is equal to A complement. Clear? For the A complement the truth table is this. Clear? So correct answer is A. A option is correct. A option is correct. Clear? Next question. Question 8. Question is, the circuit as shown in figure below will act as what? This is circuit. This is AND gate and this is NOR gate and this is NOT gate. Clear? So which option is correct? Option A OR gate, option B AND gate, option C XOR gate and option D none of these. So you have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide the solution of this question. So solution is, here is a NOR gate, this is NOR gate and this is NOT gate. So this one for this is the output for the this NOR gate. After that we use a complement for this term. Solving this term you will be get A plus B and this is for OR gate. So A option is correct. A option is correct. Clear? Next question. Question 9. Question is, the circuit as shown below will act as what? The circuit will act as like option A is AND gate, option B OR gate, option C NAND gate and option D NOR gate. So which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So here 3 gates are used, 2 NOT gates and 1 NOR gate. Clear? So this solving this for we use solving this use of truth table. So number of possible combinations is A and B. For A and B, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So A, the complement of A is 1 here, 0 for 0 1 for 0 1 and for 1 0 and for 1 0. Similarly for 0 1 for 1 0 and for 0 1 and for 1 0. Clear? So this is the A complement and B complement. After that this NOR gate is used. So A complement plus B complement and complement over A complement plus B complement. So this is the output phi. So for this circuit, the output will be for this combination is 1 0 0 and 0 1. The output of two NOT gate is input NOR gate. Here y equal to A complement plus B complement, and this after it complement over A complement plus B complement is equal to A double complement plus B double complement is equal to A dot B. So this is AND gate. The output of this two is act as NOT gate, AND gate. Clear? So correct answer is this. AND gate is correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question 10th. Question is the circuit is equivalent to what? Option is AND gate, option B NAND gate, option C NOR gate, and option D OR gate. So which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So the gate circuit can be shown by given two points A and B. A and B is two inputs, and here NOR gate, NAND gate, and NOT gate is used. So for this is NOR, NAND, and NOT. Clear? So for output for NOR gate, this y1 is equal to A plus B complement. This is NOR gate. Similarly for output for NAND gate, this NAND gate y1 plus y1 dot y1, because here the both inputs are joined. So y1 dot y1 complement, which is equal to A plus B complement dot A plus B complement, and after that whole complement, this one. Solving this term, you will be get A plus B plus A plus B, which is equal to A plus B. The output of NOT gate is y is equal to y2 complement, which is equal to A plus B complement. So this is which is output of NOR gate. So correct answer is C, NOR gate. Clear? So this is the correct answer. And this is there is a 3 gates is used: NOR, NAND, and NOT. Clear? Thank you.